your customers, right?
Yes.
Okay. And you know what you've sold to different customers, is that a fair statement?
Yes.
And so, you know, the day that you received that letter, isn't it true that you could pull up on a computer every customer that you've sold a Bentley pontoon boat to prior to you receiving that letter?
Yes.
And my question is, did you, after receiving that letter, get that list of names and addresses and prepare, say, a postcard and send it out to all of them to
I
let them know?
don't recall that. My service manager would have been the one in charge of that.
Who's your service manager?
Nick Grods.
You agree with me, that'd probably be a good idea to do.
Object to form.
What's the basis of that objection?
He has already testified that Bentley is the one that's responsible for sending out the safety recalls to the registered owners.
Okay. Again, don't you think that'd be a good idea? That would be good, if nothing else, customer service, to say, hey, you know, just in case you didn't get notice from Bentley, you know, here's a letter from us letting you know about this recall. Come on in, we'll change these ball guards out and put block guards on them for you.
There again, the industry standard is that the manufacturers send registered letters to the owners.
Okay?
And then they either send them the kit, they either send it to them, the consumer, and let them install it, or they come to us.
Okay. So your testimony is the 2004 letter and the 2007 letter, you weren't really required to contact your customers regarding either one of those recalls.
Object to form, he never said he got the 2007 letter in 2007.
Your testimony or your position, though, is whether you'd received it or not, it wasn't your job to contact customers. The industry norm was for them to do it.
Yes,
Okay.
that the industry norm is that they do it.
Okay. And you don't have any independent recollection of sending out postcards or letters warning customers?
I don't recall.
Okay. How many Bentley pontoon boats did you typically sell a year?
Approximately, maybe 10 to 15, approximate.
Okay, and as long as you sold them, what's the total number of boats, Bentley boats, that you sold?
That I don't know.
Now, there was also a safety recall letter from Bennington Boats. Have you ever seen that?
No.
Now, you mentioned your sales man, Nick Rods,
Service.
service manager. You said he pulled this letter up off the internet. Do you know where he got it on the
I
internet?
don't know where he got it from. I don't know if he got it from the manufacturer. I don't know if he got it off the internet.
Okay. When you did learn about this recall and the need for the block guards, how many block guards did you replace?
I don't know.
Did you replace any at all?
I don't recall if we did.
Okay. Is there anyone else that would know?
There's a possibility that Nick would know.
Okay. Is there a way for you to get in touch with him right now and contact him and find out?
I'm going to say no, because he's at Lake Ouachita today and has a phone that is AT&T and it does not pick up there.
Okay. Well, you know, the risk of having to redo all this, you know,
Why
if
don't
he
we
can,
Well, number one, let's say, he's already testified he can get this until after the accident which occurred. in July of 2010. So, the question is, he's already testified he was not selling Bentley boats after 2010. So there is a possibility he didn't even have any Bentley boats in stock in 2010, at the time that they learned of this, after the accident in July of 2010.
Okay. Back to my question, I mean, let's do this, can we take a break and you try to get him on your cell phone? And then let's see if you
Yeah.
can find out from him, you know, if you ever did any of these recalls on any of these Bentley boats?
Yes.
Okay, let's do that. We'll take a break and let you do that.